How to back up WhatsApp chats to Google Drive. Firstly, open Play Store on your device. On your Play Store, go to the search bar on the top and search for WhatsApp. Look for any kind of updates that may be available for WhatsApp and open it on your device. Now in your WhatsApp, you will land to your chat section. At the top right corner, click on the three dot icon and from the drop down menu, select Settings. In Settings, if you scroll down, you will see the option Chats. Click on it. Now scroll down further and click on Chat Backup. Here, as you can see, the backup option is available, and also there is the option of Google account. Make sure that you have selected the right Google account. You should see the option of backup to Google Drive. However, it might not be available on all the devices. If it's not available on your device, you may not be signed into any Google account on the device, or your Google Play services may not have correct permissions, or maybe you're in a country where Google Drive backup isn't supported. That's all for today. Thank you.